JVN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Department of FEM. Program name BSc B.Ed PCM 5th Sem, and course is Multivariate Calculus and Vector Analysis, and session of today is line integral. So in the mathematics, line integral is nothing but it is the generalization of the length, generalization of the area, generalization of the volume. So according to mathematics, line integral is an integral where the function to be integrated is evaluated along a curve. The terms path integral, curve integral and curvilinear integral are also used. Contour integral is used as well, although that is typically reserved for line integral in the complex plane. बच्चों, जो इंटीग्रल का कंसेप्ट है और इंटीग्रल में जो लाइन इंटीग्रल है, इसका आशय ये है कि हम किसी कर्व के थ्रू पर्टिकुलर एरिया जो उस कर्व के अंडर आता है उसका इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करें। उसका इंटीग्रेशन फाइंड करने का आशय ये है कि उस कर्व के अंडर में जो एरिया आ रहा है उसका एरिया फाइंड आउट करना ही उस फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन के बराबर होगा। द फंक्शन टू बी इंटीग्रेटेड मे बी स्केलर फील्ड और ए वेक्टर फील्ड. The value of line integral is the sum of value of the field at all points of the curve weighted by some scalar function on the curve and arc length of arc. For a vector field, the scalar product of the vector field with a differential vector in the curve. This weighting distinguishes the line integral from simpler integral defined on the intervals. Many simple formulae of the physics, such as the definition of the work is equal to force into displacement, have natural continuous analog in terms of line integral. In this case, W is equal to Fs ds and integration, which computes the work done by the object moving थ्रू एन इलेक्ट्रिक और ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड एफ एलोंग ए पाथ एस. तो कहने का आशय ये है कि किसी भी फंक्शन का इंटीग्रेशन और कुछ नहीं है, उस फंक्शन के अंडर में जो भी एरिया कवर्ड है उस एरिया का इंटीग्रेशन की जो वैल्यू है अंडर सर्टेन लिमिट्स, अगर हम उस एरिया को फाइंड कर लेते हैं तो वो उस फंक्शन के इंटीग्रेशन के बराबर होता है. इसको हम लाइन इंटीग्रेशन कहते हैं. इसको हम एक एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू समझाने का प्रयास करेंगे. सपोज कीजिए हमारे पास ये स्क्रीन पर एग्जाम्पल दिया हुआ है, एक आपको सर्कल दिखाई दे रहा है और क्वेश्चन है फाइंड एरिया ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट ऑफ द सर्किल x square plus y square is equal to a square. Also find whole area of this circle. Here we have shaded region. This is the first quadrant of the circle. So x square plus y square is equal to a square is the equation of the circle of those type of circle whose origin is whose center is origin, that is 0 0. So in order to finding the solution of this problem, here we have to find the area of the first quadrant, that will be OAB, that will be OAB. So in fact we have to find the area of the quadrant OAB bounded the curve AB. The x-axis and the ordinate x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. यहाँ हम देखेंगे कि ये जो क्वाड्रेंट है वो x में कहाँ से कहाँ तक लाइज करता है और y में कहाँ से कहाँ तक लाइज करता है. तो एक्स एक्सिस पे सबसे पहले ओ, जहाँ पर ओरिजिन है, ओ से लेके ये ए तक लाई करता है, ओ टू ए। एंड वाई में देखेंगे तो ये ओ ए टू पी, ओ ए टू पी, जहाँ पर इस सर्कल की बाउंड्री है वहाँ तक ये लाइज करता है। तो हमारे पास x कहाँ से कहाँ तक लाइज कर रहा है और y कहाँ से कहाँ तक लाइज कर रहा है, ये चीज़ क्लियर होनी चाहिए। द x एक्सिस ऑफ द ordinate x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. At the origin, x coordinate will be 0 and at on capital A it will be x is equal to a. So it is lies between 0 to a. On another side, the first quadrant in y is positive, so from the quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, we have y is equal to under root a square minus x square. So we have to find the value of y with the help of this equation, and y will be under root a square minus x square. Now the area of OAB is equal to limit of x is equal to 0 to a y dx, and putting the value of y in this integration, y will be under root a square minus x square, so it becomes 0 to a under root a square minus ax square dx. Now we have to integrate this function in this function change into the polar coordinate for finding the solution. So in order to change it in polar, putting x is equal to a sin theta, then after differentiating dx will be a cos theta. So putting the value and changing the limit, when x is equal to 0, then putting this value, sin theta will be 0 and theta 0. When x is equal to a, then putting this value and theta is equal to pi by 2. So in respect of x is equal to 0 to a, limit of theta will be 0 to pi by 2, and putting the value of x is equal to a sin theta in this equation, it become limit 0 to pi by 2 under root a square minus a square sin square theta and a cos theta d theta. So taking a as a common and outside the integration, it become cos square theta d theta. So change cos square theta into 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, and putting this value, and it become a square upon 2, 0 to pi by 2, 1 plus cos 2 theta d theta. Integrating this, we get theta plus sin 2 theta upon 2, or limit 0 to pi by 2, and putting these limit, first pi by 2 then 0, and solve it, we get the value of this equation will be 1 upon 4 pi a square. This is the value of first quadrant in this figure. Now we have to find the area of whole circle. Then whole circle will be 4 times of the first quadrant. So multiplied this value by the 4, we get the area of whole circle. So this is the process to find out the solution of any function through curve. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you very much.